Hello everyone and welcome to another AdMaths tutorial video. Now I'll be discussing SPM Clone 2006 Form 5 Chapter 1 Progressions Long Question. Okay, before that, please like this video to show your support and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Okay, let me read the question now. Two companies, Epsilon and Sigma, start to sell motorcycles at the same time. Okay, question part A. Epsilon sells H motorcycles in the first month and its sales increase constantly by K motorcycles each subsequent month. It sells 320 motorcycles in the fifth month and the total sales for the first 8 months is 2440. Find the values of H and of K. So this is the question part A. Okay, let me read the question part B now. Sigma sells 160 motorcycles in the first month and its sales increase constantly by 35 motorcycles each subsequent month. If both companies sell the same number of motorcycles in the nth month, find the value of n. So this is the overall question, guys. So I hope that you will attempt this question in the future. If you could manage to solve this question, well done. But if you can't solve this question, no worries. I'm going to show you the step-by-step working and the solutions now. So without further delay, let us start to discuss SPM Clone 2006 Form 5 Chapter 1 Progressions Long Question now. Alright, let us start to discuss the question part A now. Okay, the question part A asks us to find the value of H and K, guys. Okay, remember one thing, guys. Whenever they ask you to find two variables, you need to come up with two equations. Okay, in this case, how are we going to find out the two equations? Okay, don't worry, I'm going to guide you one by one, guys. Okay, so we're going to use the given information from the epsilon, and from there we're going to come up with two equations. Okay, so let us start to show the working. So from here we know that our first term is equals to H. So this is your first month sales of your motorcycle. Okay, for epsilon, the first month they actually sell H number of motorcycles. Okay, so this is actually your first term, and then it constantly increases by K motorcycles. Okay, so how do you know that it's actually arithmetic progressions? Okay, have a look at the word constantly increase. Okay, constant increase. So arithmetic progression, one of their features is it's increasing in constant rate, guys. So that's why you have a common difference. Okay, if it mentions gradually increasing or increasing in proportion rate, okay, that means it's involving a geometric progression, not arithmetic progression. So I hope you understand the concept over here. So that is why I write here common difference, not common ratio. So from here, so it's increasing constantly by K number of motorcycles. So let us continue obtain the information from the question. So in the question they also mentioned that in the fifth month epsilon actually sells 320 motorcycles. Okay, so we're going to use the formula of arithmetic progression to find Tn. So where is equals to A plus n minus 1 d. Okay, A is actually your first term, d is actually your common difference. Okay, so let us continue. So T5, to find T5, what you do? So it will be equals to A plus n minus 1. So 5 minus 1 will be 4. So that's how you get A plus 4D over here. Okay, so let us continue. So since you in the question part A, so we denote that our A is equals to H and D is equals to K. So we substitute the values respectively over here, and we know that our T5 is equals to 320 motorcycles. So that's how we denote our first equation over here, guys, where you have H plus 4K is equals to 320. So this will be your first equation. Okay, guys, I hope you understand the working that I've shown to you so far. Okay, we have already formed our first equation. So let us form our second equation, and once you've already formed two equations, then we can use that to find the value of H and K. Okay, let us continue. Okay, in the question they also mentioned that the sum of 8 months of sales of motorcycle is 2440 motorcycles. Okay, so for here How are you going to continue? So we're going to use the Sn formula for geometric progressions. So it's given by Sn is equals to n over 2 times with 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay, so I hope you understand the concept behind it. Okay, so what you do, so you substitute the value respectively. So S8 is equals to 8 divided by 2, so that's how you get here 4. Okay, in the bracket 2a plus 7d, so 8 minus 1, so you get here 7d. Okay, so the 4 you times in, so from here you get S8 is equals to 8a plus 28d. Okay, since you know that the a is equals to h and d is equals to k, so you substitute the respective value, and then your S8 is equals to 2440. So you substitute all the respective value here. Okay, and then you form the second equation where you have here 8h plus 28k is equals to 2440. So this is your second equation, guys. Okay, once you've already formed the first equation and second equation, so from here, so we're going to solve equation 1 and equation 2 simultaneously to find the value of h and k. Alright, so I hope you understand the concept now. So from here, the steps will be pretty easy. Okay, so from here, so this is your first equation where you write here h plus 4k is equals to 320, and then your second equation 8h plus 28k is equals to 2440. Okay, in this case, I choose to perform elimination method and I want to perform variable h. Okay, that's why I choose to times by 8 for the first equation. Okay, so let us continue. So when you times the whole equation by 8 for equation 1, so from here you should get 8h plus 32k is equals to 2560, and 8h plus 28k is equals to 2440. So this is your second equation. So 8h and 8h we can cancel out by minusing the equation 1 and equation 2. So we can cancel them out. Okay, from here 32k minus with 28k, so from here you get 4k. 2560 minus with 2440, okay, you minus them together, you should get 120. Okay, so you're almost there. 4k is equals to 120. So to find k, what you do, 120 you divide by 4. So from here you get your k is equals to 30. So this is your first solution. Okay, you get your one answer. Okay, once you get k equals to 30, what you do, you substitute that value back into the either one of the equation 1 or equation 2. It's up to you. Okay, when k is equals to 30, h plus 4k is equals to 320. So in this case, you know that your k is equals to 30. So you substitute inside h plus 4 times with 30 equals to 320. So from here, you should get your h is equals to 200. So from here, you know that company Epsilons, they sell 200 motorcycles. So this is your first term, and then they constantly increase by 30 motorcycles. So k equals to 30. So this 30 is actually your common difference. Okay guys, so I hope you understand question part A. So let me proceed to the question part B now. Alright guys, let us start to discuss the question part B now. Okay, in the question part B, they give us the information regarding company Sigma. So let us list down the information. Okay, it's given that company Sigma sells 160 motorcycles in their first month. So that's why I write here A equals to 160. So 160 is actually your first term. Okay, and then they constantly increase their sales by 35 motorcycles. So this is your common difference. That's why I write here D equals to 35. Okay, once you know the first term and common difference, okay, then it's easy for us to solve this remaining question. Okay, but then that's not the problem. The main problem is for Epsilon and Sigma sells the same number of motorcycles. Okay, we need to make sure that the sales of Epsilon and Sigma is the same. Okay, so in order for them to same, so what we need to do is, okay, let me show you this relation. Okay, the number of term of Epsilon must be equal to the number of term of Sigma. So this is the relation we need to form. Okay, so from here let us continue. So Tn epsilon is equals to A plus n minus 1 d. So A in this case for epsilon is 200 and d is 30. So you substitute the value 200 plus n minus 1 30. As for the sigma, the first term is 160 and common difference is 35. So you substitute the respective value for sigma. So from here you get 160 plus n minus 1 times with 35. Okay, so we're going to solve these two questions simultaneously, guys, and then we're going to find that particular n month where your sales of epsilon and sigma are the same. Okay, let us continue. Okay, you times in. So from here you get 200 plus 30 and minus 30 is equals to 160 plus 35 and minus 35. Okay, so it's a linear equation. So from here you should get your 5n is equals to 45. So how to get your n? What you do, 45 you divide by 5. So from here you should get your n is equals to 9. Therefore, 9th month is the month where the sales of epsilon and sales of sigma is the same. Okay, where they sell the same number of motorcycles. So this is your final answer, guys. Okay, so I hope you understand the full working that I've shown to you. If you like this video, please give your thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. And of course, don't forget to share this video as well. Okay, thank you everyone for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.